Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this spread, I am using the June Good Life collection from Pixel Scrapper. And on the left side there, I have taped down a paper from the print kit. And on the right side is a paper from the Journal Me kit. And now I am just looking through my stash. These are just some papers that I've printed out for other projects that I'm going to use here to finish up this spread here. And then you can see there on the side are the labels from the kit, which I'll probably pick one or two out to add to my spread here. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.